This is how you get rid of headaches in 90 seconds. So all you're gonna do is using your fingers, you can use 2 fingers. If that's too painful, you can use the knuckles. You're gonna place it right on under the base of the skull right here and push at a 45-degree angle up towards your eye. So in the back here, you're gonna find the hairline. You'll find these like nodules right here. You're gonna place the fingers right there, one side at a time, and you're gonna push up at a 45-degree angle, just like that. So hold it for about 10 seconds. You can do it on both sides. You'll find that one side is usually more stiff and tight compared to the other side, and this is usually the side that gives you headaches. You can slowly move down to find a really painful nodule like here, and just pushing it up at a 45-degree angle towards the opposite eye. So what this is doing is, with the spine, we are actually holding on to the musculature around the neck and we're releasing it. At the same time, if there's enough pressure, we can actually grip onto the joint here and help to move it, making sure it's nice and flexible, taking pressure off the blood vessels and off the nerves and giving you some relief from your headaches.